About the United Kingdom flower flag. The United Kingdom uses a unique type of flower flag that is different from many other countries in the world. It is officially known as Type G flag. The flag of the United Kingdom is known as the Union Jack. It is a combination of three modern national flags: the Red Cross of Stiggery, the White Slater of St Andrew for Scotland, and the Red Slate of the State Patrick for Land. The current region was about in 18 and represent the unit of the national that from the UK. The, the Union Jack is one of the most iconic and a recognizable flag in the world, symbolizing the country's history, culture, and monarchy.